The Electrolux Induction Cooktop has numerous advanced features to help maximize your culinary creativity. Getting to know how to use your display and features is easy. Let's begin with the precise temperature control. This function lets you take the precision heating of induction to the next level. When cool batter, liquid, or food is added to a pan, the pan cools down a little. This function senses the temperature change and will use extra power to adjust automatically to maintain the desired temperature. Next, with Power Slide, you can go from a boil to a simmer with a quick move of the pan. Just press Power Slide indicator and gently move the pan from the front zone to the back. Then, with the bridge function, the two left cooking zones work together to heat a long piece of cookware, like a griddle. Lastly, the Serve Warm feature will set all of the active cooking zones to a low power level to keep foods warm until you're ready to enjoy your meal. Your basic cooktop controls should look familiar. They are Power. Press to turn cooktop on or off. Lock. Press to lock the cooktop controls. Cooking Zone Indicator. Indicates the cook zones in use. Cooking Zone On/Off. Place cookware on the cooking zone, then press On/Off. Cooking Zone Power Level. Slide your finger across or press a number to set the power level. Hot Surface Indicator. This indicator shows if the cooking zone is off but still hot. Additionally, if you have the 36-inch model, you'll see a timer indicator on your display. This indicator shows the time currently left on your timer and includes reduce time, timer on/off, and increase time buttons. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.